Alright you guys, here we're gonna do a review on this vacuum. It's an M18 fuel wet and dry vacuum system. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys how it looks. The reason I bought this is because I was gonna use this. It's a dewall sander, but I'm not gonna do a review this one till I'm on a job site, and I bought this for that because so I can suck in all the dust. But the only thing that I don't like, so this here is a dewall adapter, and this is the Milwaukee. It comes with it, and it did not fit, so I had to put like a PVC pipe in here, then put tape, Gorilla tape. So I don't know if you guys can leave a comment and tell me, you know, what's the best option, then that'd be great. But I'm gonna unbox this and do a review on it. See, it got a handle. That's what I like. That's pretty cool. I'll show you what it all comes with. It comes with a pretty long hose. And it comes with all these attachments. That's what I like about this. It has the wheels. That's what's cool about it. So all this is plastic, but it feels like a solid plastic. This locks them. Yep. All this is plastic. Here you can put all your parts of the vacuum. Oh yes, this right here is plastic too. Oh, that's plastic. Which it's not like cheap plastic though. I mean, it's pretty solid stuff. It says Milwaukee in the middle. The wheels are pretty nice and smooth. That right here should lock. I don't know if I'm doing it right though. Let me check. Okay, there. It locked. So to unlock it, you press this. See? Then this, I'm not sure what this is. I think it's like a, I'm not sure what that is. I have to do some radio on that. There's some parts right here, some attachments. It's all plastic too. That's pretty cool. I like how everything's like organized. You can have your little parts. It's pretty organized. But it's kind of hard to do. Okay, so that one go in first. Then you put this one. Yeah. To open the vacuum, you have to do this. This opens. Then to lock it back, you just push it back, then do that, and to lock it you twist to the right, and to unlock it you go to the left. System, vacuum, whatever you want to call it, it's a battery powered, and there's no cord, just straight up battery. So this is a full charge battery, M18 6.0. So there she is, connected. And like I said, this dewall sander, I'm gonna use it tomorrow, and I'm gonna do a review on this one tomorrow on a job site, to see how good this vacuum can suck in all the drywall it does. And since this battery, I'm gonna see how long it runs, because to be honest, on Milwaukee batteries, they don't last long. The DeWalt's, that's the only reason I like about DeWalt. The batteries last longer and they're better. But the Milwaukee, for some reason, they don't last that long. But I'm gonna do a review on this one tomorrow, this sander with this Milwaukee vacuum. And like I said, this right here, like I explained, this is the Milwaukee. It fits here. This right here is my phone, so look how powerful it is. Here is not light at all. It's really heavy, and it lifts this up, and it's super heavy. And I lift my phone up too, and my phone is not light too. This is an iPhone, and it lifted up for a while, and it didn't even let go of it. Also, this duct tape too, it lifted up from the air, from the ground. I lift all these up from the ground. The only thing I don't like is hopefully the batteries can maintain while I'm sanding.